Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how Speedbump is ran and how it works, how it looks, and where to run it. I was struggling finding exactly where to run it until I realized that it's a TCP traffic rerouter that processes everything through it, and you tell it where it's going. So the idea is Speedbump will be hosting here, so you have to connect to here, and then this is where Speedbump will be sending the traffic over. So that needs to be cleared, and I didn't find something like that. And I looked on YouTube, I found a video, but it was explaining the same thing that I explained here, and it wasn't that obvious to me. So I hope this is helpful for you. So if you run Docker, the same applies as the executable. The executable can be found here on releases, which is here. I downloaded this one, and it only has the, let me show you here. It only has the executable, README, and the license. So it's just an executable. It's nothing complicated. You just run it, done. The same as Docker, and that's the command for it. Me from the future here. This is the basic diagram of how the connection is done or is created. This is the desktop PC or their client, and this is the server on a VirtualBox machine, a virtual machine hosting the server, the Minecraft server. Speedbump is running inside this server. It's intercepting the connection coming from the client. This line here is the normal Minecraft connection. If you connect directly to the server, then that is what is happening. Then it's kind of obvious. But what I want to highlight is that Speedbump is running inside the server, intersecting this connection coming from this port connecting to Speedbump, and then redirecting it locally to the server. You can install this on another PC, for example, a client, and then you will have to switch things around and point it to whatever you need so that it can intercept that connection. And it will be the same thing. The only thing is that you will point it to the Speedbump running inside your client, and then from there Speedbump will point or redirect the traffic through to the server. And also you can have Speedbump in another computer and then redirect the client to that computer and then Speedbump to the server. That is up to you. So now let's run the Minecraft server so that I can show you, hold on, let me let it load, so I can show you how it looks and how it affects. So as you can see here, I'm gonna start minimum 100 milliseconds and then up to 1000 milliseconds, and I'll be using the saw amplitude flag. So it will be like this. It will be from 100 to 1000 milliseconds, a couple of seconds, and then goes down all the way to 0, waits 1 minute, and applies the same thing again. And don't forget that you have multiple arguments here. You have the flags, and you have the only argument that it has. You can change the way that you inject, or the Speedbump injects the data or the traffic. Just play around with it, and you get similar results. Let's get to it. So, okay, Minecraft server is running, and here I have it. I have this because of the paper I'm working on for the data communication network class I'm taking, so that's why I have it. I'm tinkering around with Speedbump. So this is the normal one. This is the regular port for Minecraft server. If I connect there, nothing will happen. As you can see, the milliseconds is perfect. But now let's start Speedbump. As you can see, I'm pointing to the server here, and started it, and let's refresh, and as you can see, poof, you can see the MS going nuts already, and it will take a couple of time. Super slow. Woof. That's nice. F33 to see the ping, and it's already going down, so everything will be good. Oh, you don't have any jobs. Okay, amazing. I think there's one over here. I saw one. Okay, here's one. So, oh no, it's little. So you can see the chest. It opens very fast, and my signal is good there. Now let's see, where's the weaponsmith? It's about to get started, so let's wait here. Okay, there he goes. Now it's starting here on the bottom right of the screen. And you can see it's definitely click. It's definitely a delay. Yep. Oof. I did saw that navigating through the game doesn't affect that much. There he goes. So now it's going down, and you can see it's speeding up. You see? So it's very nice. Okay, here they are. I found these two weaponsmiths, and see how it takes forever to load. Same for this, for the repair. And now that it's going down super fast. Look at that. That's nice. You can see definitely there's the problem. I mean, you can cause the problem. So yeah, don't forget to turn it off. I hope that is helpful to see how it works. And of course you can ask anything on the comments if you have any questions. See ya.